Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit a PDF file in mobile. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head to the App Store. Obviously it depends if you have an Android or an iPhone, but either way we're going to head to the App Store and we're going to look for an app called Microsoft 365. It was formerly known as Microsoft Office. In this case I already have it installed. But we're going to head to the app. And the first thing that it will ask you is your Outlook account. Whether you have one or not, it's a very easy process to make. Now we're gonna head to the menu down below and we're gonna look for the right corner where it says Applications. We're gonna click on it. And now we're gonna look for PDF tools. We're gonna click on that too. Now we have an array of options that shows a lot of things that we can do with a PDF. In this case, we're gonna turn a PDF to Word. So here we're gonna look for the file that we want to turn into a PDF. In this case, I'm gonna look on my Files app. And I'm gonna use the personal branding document. This was a document that I made for my administration class a while ago. So just for me being more comfortable with the document, I'm going to change it to the phone view, which makes everything look more like an arrangement on a phone, like you can see right now. Well, now what we're going to do is I'm going to change two things. I'm going to get rid of the links because, well, I don't need them anymore. And also I'm going to get rid of the social media part because I didn't put anything on it. Okay, now that I have it, we're gonna go to the three dots that are right on the right corner, and we're going to go to the export option. I'm gonna choose PDF, and we can change the name. I'm gonna call it personal branding. Let's add a new. Okay, again, I'm gonna head to the Files app. That's where I want it. You can put it wherever you want it. And that would be all. Now we're gonna just check the results. We're gonna head to the Files app. Okay, Files app. And there it is. There's the document. Transformed into a PDF file, again with the changes that we made it when it was a Word document. Now I want to add a little bonus, just a little bonus. Now I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF. So we're gonna head right back. Yeah, I'm gonna erase that. We're gonna go to PDF tools again. Now we're gonna go to the first option. We can choose any file that you want. I'm gonna choose the one that I just made. And it says click where you want to sign. So I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna erase one and add a new one because it only allows you for 2 signatures at a time. I'm just gonna invent it. Okay. Yeah, and now you have it. It's a little too big. Okay, let's make it smaller. There we go. Yeah. Okay, we clicked the check mark. And it's all. Now the document is signed. It's a PDF that's signed. You can click right there to the share option and you can share it with anyone you want. And yeah, that would be all. That's how you edit a PDF file in mobile.